Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Spotify playlist. So let's get started. Let's see how you can create a playlist on Spotify mobile app. Open Spotify app on your mobile device. Now tap on your library from the bottom bar. Tap on plus icon to create a playlist. Here you can enter the name for your playlist. You can enter any name that you like. After entering the name, tap on Create button. Before we proceed, I would appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. So your playlist is ready. If you want to change the playlist cover image, change playlist name or want to add description, then tap on 3 horizontal dots and tap on Edit option. You can tap on Change Image to change the playlist cover. Now you can add any song or entire album to your playlist. To add a song, go to the song that you want to add. Now tap on 3 dots and from the available options, tap on Add to Playlist. And the song will be added to the newly created playlist. Similarly, you can add entire album to the playlist. In case you wish to delete a playlist, then tap on your library from bottom bar. From the list of playlists, open the playlist that you wish to delete. Now tap on 3 dots. And from the available options, tap on Delete Playlist. That way you can delete a playlist from Spotify app. So that was a short tutorial on how to create a Spotify playlist. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.